ng ating military intelligence counterparts. But through the deterrence, we are hoping po na mabawasan po yung ganitong klaseng incident, lalo na po na there is already an action from the government regarding this kind of activities, especially po sa ating military.
So, yung nangyari ngayon, we congratulate you for that. We congratulate the other agencies. Hindi pa ito ang katapusan. We have yet to dismantle the tentacles of this vast espionage network. Siguro naputulan lang natin ang ilang daliri, pero nandun pa sila.
Yes, Mr. Chair. But as I mentioned, we hope that these operations could be a deterrent para sa other activities na pinaplano nilang gawin.
So nakabawas, pero nandun pa rin sila, ibig mo sabihin.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ang siguro, ang BID can also provide us a report. Itong mga pangalang lumabas na ito, itong maraming ito, Ye Tianwu, Hu Xining, He Ping. Ito, yung tinatanong ko kanina, bakit meron ditong Cambodia naman na isa? Baka gumagamit na ng ibang nationalities. So, can you provide us tomorrow an update as to their immigration status, BID? May Cambodia, no?
Yes, Mr. Chair, we will do that.
Thank you. Yes,
Mr.
NBI.
Chair, just to add, dito po sa mga ginawa po naming operations, since may involve po na foreign nationals, we have also coordinated with the Bureau of Immigration for deportation. Actually, ito pong mga to, yung iba pong kasing kaso dito is bailable. However, they are still detained po sa detention facility ng NBI dahil nga po meron pong inquest proceeding na ginawa ang Bureau of Immigration and ongoing po ang deportation nitong mga Chinese nationals na to. So regardless po kung ano pong maging result ng case, they will still be detained. And we are hoping na ma-deport po sila sa country of origin nila.
That's why we're trying to amend the law. Itong ating investigasyon na ito, hindi lang magdudulot ng paglalabas ng katotohanan kung hindi paggawa rin ng mga bagong batas. We're trying to amend the law not just for the imposition of stiffer penalties but to make perhaps some cases non-bailable. Para nang sa ganon, mas marami din tayong makuhang informasyon. Kaya yun ang dahilan, kaya final ko yung Senate Bill 2951, yung Counter Foreign Interference Act. So, hindi pa ata kami nakakatanggap ng position paper ng NBI. Can you provide us your position paper para mas mapadali natin itong panukalang batas na ito? Please proceed. Anything more to add, NBI?
That ends our presentation, Mr. Chair.
Teka muna. Ngayon mo lang pinakita ito Itong Grande Island nga nandoon sa pasukan ng papunta ng Subic at saka ayun, malapit na sa Subic International Airport. Mark that as Exhibit B5 for the National Bureau of Investigation. So ito bang ganitong uri ng pagpreposisyon nila? Ganon din ba sa Palawan? Yung malapit sa isang
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sa isang port?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Doon po sa Palawan 5, yung daanan po doon is yung RORI mission po natin.
Ayun na yung binabanggit ko kanina. So, perhaps we can anticipate where they will be prepositioned sa ilang lugar. Lalong-lalo na, meron bang noticeable activities doon sa mga EDCA sites? Meron bang noticeable activities doon sa merong balikatan exercises? Meron bang noticeable activities doon sa mga lugar na malalaki ang ating pier? Tinutukoy ko ngayon ang Cebu, tinutukoy ko ang Davao, tinutukoy ko ang Cagayan de Oro. Meron bang ganon? NBI?
For that matter, Mr. Chair, it would be best answered by the military.
So, hindi mo masagot ngayon yan. But anything more to present, NBI?
That ends our presentation, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Maraming salamat din. Yung BID and SEC, siguro expect your reports tomorrow. Bago natin ang susunod na presentation will be from the Philippine Navy. Bago natin siguro ipagpatuloy sa Philippine Navy, the chair would like to greet Admiral Trinidad a very happy birthday. So tama na siguro yung pamerienda natin ngayon.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Spaghetti ata yan. So yan na yung pa-birthday sa'yo ng committee. Happy birthday, sir. Would you like to have a birthday break or are we going to proceed?
Mr. Chair, I have a graphic aid,
Presentation.
a visual aid, Mr. Chair.
Yes,
If
please
we could have
proceed.
time to bring them in.
The next presenter would be the Philippine Navy. As indicated by the chair a while ago, the previous hearing was suspended and it involved the submersible drones found in San Pascual, Masbate, which was subjected to a forensics review by the Philippine Navy. So siguro gusto ko lang ipaalala sa committee ito at sa mga nakikinig na nagsimula ito sa testimonya ng mga mangingisda natin, Rodney Valenzuela at marami pang iba na binigyan ng parangal ng Senado sa kanilang katapangan dahil na sila po yung nakakuha noon sa Masbate sa barangay Inirawan. You can proceed, General, Admiral, if you have a visual aid or we can suspend for a minute. This committee hearing is suspended for 1 minute to enable the Philippine Navy to produce the visual aids before this committee. Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad, apparently, Admiral, during the last hearing, January 2025 of this year, we were able to identify HY 119 found floating 9 kilometers off the coast of San Pascual, Masbate. Ito na po ba yon? Ito na po ba tong dilaw na ito? Yung HY 9119, Admiral, tama po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair, good afternoon. Before I start, Mr. Chair, I'd like first to greet the Honorable Chairman of the Special Committee on Philippine Maritime and Admiralty Zones. Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I have a PowerPoint presentation to accompany the visual aids.
Go ahead. Technical, can you assist the good Admiral? Parang ayaw gumalaw yung
Slideshow. Mr. Chair, the Philippine Navy has in our possession now different types of drones like this, which have been turned over to our laboratory for forensic examination. What is alarming about this or concerning about this is that for the past 2 years, we have received a good number of reports. When we started, based on the guidance of the Commander-in-Chief, that we are shifting from internal security to external defense, and we are to conduct comprehensive archipelagic defense operations, we started receiving reports of equipment being found ashore by our fishermen. These were found up north, Batanes or Calayan, off the coast of Zambales, as shown on the map, Masbate, Initaw. These areas, Mr. Chair, are just astride international sea lanes or choke points. Balintang Channel up north, San Bernardino Strait, and Surigao Strait. The yellow drone, Mr. Chair, 119.
Yan po yung inimbestigahan natin dati. Ito yung na forensics na. Can you educate this committee as to the contents of this actual submersible drone? Ito na yung actual. Yung dati, replica lang. Ito na yung actual. Hindi ko hawakan na, Admiral, kasi Baka kung anong mangyari dyan. So ano po ito?